Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We have a rank function here. We're going to rank race times. What's critical here is these must be a number. You can't rank text. Text in times will not work. We have, what do we have here? We have a name range, C5, C15. Here's our structure. We just put 1 in here. It doesn't mean anything because we're not sorting this information. If we sort it, I have to ask, why do I want to even deal with this order deal when I can sort this on my own? It's a repeat of what we've done previously. Other than that, if we C5, race times, race times. What if we wanted to rank the names here? Can we do it? B5. Here we have B5. We're following the same rules. B5. The entire range. I don't know. Put a 0 here. And we get a value. As stated, text in times will not work. What if we do this? You can't rank. Doesn't work. Must be used to rank a set of race times. In other words, we need numbers. We can't rank by name or text. We can sort, but we can't rank. Can we look up C5 and rank by racer? No, you get an NA error. C5, race time, B5, B15, NA. Doesn't work. Even if we get rid of this, we don't need this 1, get an NA error. Just wanted to show you that if you are trying to deal with anything non-numeric, you're going to, within rank, you're going to run into a problem. Brad Williams, XL Prime, out.